Hello dear students, let's start Geography, lesson number 15, Communication and Mass Media. We watch TV programs on many different channels as well as we talk to others on our mobile phone. How this can be possible? Let's see. In first chapter we learn about launching of spacecraft and artificial satellites. Launching means what? Sending spacecraft into the space or sending satellites into the space. Artificial satellites are used for communication. See, this is artificial satellites and this is Earth. It can be launched into the space by means of rocket. They are useful for communication. Just because of artificial satellites, we get signals. For example, we can see live telecast of any event. For example, football or cricket. Or we can talk to people with the help of mobile phone in other countries also. President or Prime Minister can also address at same time on radio also as well as on TV also. In India, we use artificial satellite for communication, means India also use this artificial satellite. These satellites are called Indian National Satellites, means INSAT, INSAT. Look at the following expressions on the person's face. You can easily understand a person's feeling by looking at the expression on their face. This kind of gestures are used in messages to communicate. For example, emojis are given in mobile phone. We receive messages, we send messages or we send information through communication. The exchange of information is called communication. Information broadcast is also part of communication. This is useful for constructing knowledge. Let's see advantage of telecommunication and mass media. First, we can easily contact people, those who live far away from us. Means if we are living in Ahmednagar and our family member or relatives are living in Mumbai or Pune or Nagpur, we can easily contact with them with the help of mobile phone. Time and efforts can be saved. Telecommunication and mass media help to raise awareness about such issues, for example, environmental balance and gender equality and cleanliness. We can get information about natural disaster like storms, tsunami and floods, etc. They also build awareness about health, educational facilities, good things happening in society, etc. We also get information about government schemes which they launched for the benefit of people. Awareness can be raised matters related to food, clothes, shelter, education and health. Mass media also help in the expansion of trade and industry. Expansion meaning growth of trade and industry. For example, online shopping. Let's see disadvantages of telecommunication devices. First, excessive means extra use of television means TV, computer or mobile phones cause disorders of eyes means you can see less, ears and back problem, physical disorders and isolation etc. also possible because of telecommunication, extra use of TV, computer or mobile phone. We get all kind of information through television and the internet. This kind of information can be misused or can be disturb our society. Extra time spent on watching television or internet, children neglect to play outdoor sports as well as they neglect their physical fitness. These things affect on their physical health. Hope you can understood our lesson. Thank you.